Okay, so this is the V1 builder. This is allowing us to build full stack applications with just text, not having to write any code. So to go over some of the features quickly before we jump into a project that we made, this is where we can select different model providers. An Appsumo favorite being Open Router, just because of how many connections that allows for. And then you can select, of that model provider, you can select one of their models here. Then additionally, we have the ability to push or to connect to Supabase. So this would allow us to actually store data, build authentication, things like that. Again, a full stack production app is what the Supabase connection is going to allow for. Then for sharing, reusability, existing code, etc., we have 3 different options. Users can import chats, they can import the folder of code itself, and then the AI will begin understanding their existing code and work from that. Or they can clone an existing Git repository or a repository that they own. So if I jump into an existing project, this was just a really simple prompt telling it to build a to-do app with React. We can go to that existing project and see all of the code here. We also have a preview window that shows the application itself. So this is where I had a title, a description, and a priority. So once we have this code here, the last of the features is the ability to deploy this code. So without writing anything, they'll be able to deploy to Netlify or Vercel. Pretty soon here we'll have Cloudflare. All of this just allowing them to, from start to finish, without any code, build a full stack application. They have the code available in case they wanted to work on it or wanted to hire somebody to work on it. And then again, they can either import the code or reopen that project inside of V1, and they'll be able to work from whatever that developer did. Last option we have here is the ability to push to GitHub. So whatever changes they make, complete version control, where all of this can be pushed to GitHub and used as long as they want.